Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Tonight, invest on a price increase that will make you rich. Shiba Inu updates. Shiba Inu was among the noteworthy gainers on Tuesday as the token prices increased for a sixth straight session. After trading at a low of $0.0008603, Shib soared to a high of $0.0009593 earlier in the day, less than 24 hours later. Shiba Inu reached its highest peak since December 5th as a result of the most recent price increase. Following an upward crossover of the 10-day and 25-day moving averages, the market rallied today. We will discuss tonight's BINANCE price pump, which will turn you into a millionaire, in this video. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. A staggering 12.6 trillion Shib coins were reportedly taken by Binance from the Shibaswap decentralized exchange staking pool, according to Shibern, a Twitter account that monitors the combustion of Shiba Inu. The largest cryptocurrency exchange moved 12.6 trillion Shib tokens out of the Shibaswap staking pool after Binance unstaked the dog-themed cryptocurrency. 12.6 trillion Shib was valued $116.23 million at the time of the transaction. According to Shibun Finance, the top cryptocurrency exchange was still not finished with Shib staking on Shibaswap after removing over 12.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens from the staking pool. Shibun Finance later restaked 4 trillion Shib worth $36.28 million on the platform. Notably, the exchange staked back the asset in the staking pool of the Shibaswap DEX after first moving the 4 trillion Shiba tokens to an anonymous wallet. The Shiba Inu burn tracker also tells that there are currently 18.1 trillion Shib staked in the staking pool. It's important to note that Shiburn's revelation comes as the burn tracker works to inform the Shib army about the enormous 4 trillion Shib tokens that Binance sent earlier to Shiba. The Shiba Inu community, meanwhile, responded to the news in various ways. The most important remark was made by Shib BPP, a well-known Shiba Inu influencer. The Shiba Inu team introduced the DEX on the same day that Binance developed a live wallet on Shibaswap, according to Shiba BPP. Binance uses the wallet to stake Shib in DEX's staking pool, claim rewards, and give the earnings to its users, according to Shib BPP. Shiba Inu announced a limited edition occasion in which the Bugatti Group will throw a party for Shiboshis, the NFTs of the ecosystem. The NFT Genesis holders who have shown the most loyalty and support for Shib will receive tangible goods and collectible NFTs from the partner. Only 299 releases and another very rare first edition release with the mint price of 0.14 ETH will be eligible for the Binance edition, according to the team. 95% of the mints come with a limited edition cross-body bag from the Bugatti Group. 15 lucky residents of the neighborhood will receive a carry-on item from the same Bugatti Group, which will go to 5% of all mints. The Twitter Spaces event will see the launch of the minting portal. However, a week after the minting procedure is ended, the redemption gateway will open. On January 15th, there will be a Shiboshis and Bugatti Twitter Space Aces event. The price of Shiba Inu is currently at the top of a sinking wedge. This comes after an unsuccessful attempt to overcome the resistance in the pattern for a move of 66.62% to $0.1508. The pattern's upper trendline and the 100-day exponential moving average, both around 56 cents, support the tenacious resistance level at $0.956. The Shiba Inu price receives crucial support from the 5-day EMA at $0.882 in order to gather adequate liquidity for the second breakout attempt. In particular, given that the moving average convergence divergence indicator is flashing a buy signal, bulls may soon push for the continuation of a rally. In addition, the Shiba Inu price's bullish view is supported by the max continued advance above the mean line and the divergence established by the blue and red lines. Therefore, it may be a matter of when, not if, the wedge will break. the Shiboshi's and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event, which could raise investor interest in Shib, is only 4 days away. The 100-day EMA recovery above the wedge pattern may be projected to increase strongly to 58 cents, signifying a 66.62% move, or alternatively, buy orders may be appropriately placed above the wedge pattern. The goal is the projected distance between the wedge's widest points above the breakout point. The Shibarium protocol's debut is anticipated by the Shiba Inu community. By the end of 2022, speculation over its release had grown dramatically, but the improvement has been plagued by delays. Shib's scalability will be enhanced by Shibarium while still maintaining a direct connection to the Ethereum network. Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain solution, will be released soon, according to the Shiba Inu development team. The community anticipates a debut sometime in the first quarter of 2023. However, no official date has been set as of yet. Shib is one of the top cryptocurrencies that many retail investors are keeping an eye on. On January 11th, Shiba Inu will embark on a nice run once more. With a gain of 5.6% over the last 24 hours, Shib has already gained close to 14% so far this year. Cryptocurrencies and meme tokens in general are soaring higher at the moment for a number of reasons. These investments are frequently seen as high beta methods to play this year's rising asset values. More speculative assets are rising off their lows due to expectations that interest rates may reach their terminal rate in the first half of the year before pausing. Wales has also shown a greater interest in Shiba Inu, as seen by a $28.7 million transaction this month. Shib, like the majority of cryptocurrencies, is held by a relatively small number of people, hence such acts can have a considerable impact on a given token's price. Many investors will continue to keep an eye on this important element. The introduction of Shiba Inu's metaverse and the impending launch of Shibarium, which will burn tokens for each transaction on the network, further increase this project's appeal from a tokenomics standpoint. Shiba Inu is no longer a little crypto coin with a valuation of more than $5 billion. As a result, it's doubtful that the project will ever have another multi-million percentage run because that would raise the project's value to incomprehensible levels. The truth is that investors can find many companies with real cash flows and profitability that are valued at much less than $5 billion. It is one thing to suggest that Shiba Inu can soar from here, but it may not be probable to experience those kinds of increases in the near future. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in India, WazirX, has published its proof of reserves and reported a reserves-to-liability ratio of more than 1:1 on Wednesday. The highest holding, the Shiba Inu token, with a value of about $54 million, is reported by WazirX to be reserves of $286.10 million. The safety and security of user cash are our top priority at WazirX. We have made our wallet, addresses, exchange list, and independent proof of reserve report public in light of this. WazirX has a reserve of $286.10 million, with $259.65 million in crypto assets on the exchange and $26.45 million on the blockchain, according to the study. 6.9 trillion Shiba Inu, 1,366,000.54 BTC, 20,072,000.54 ETH, 303.32 million DOJ, and 16.53 million Matic are the top 5 held reserves. Additionally, the native token of the cryptocurrency exchange, WRX, has reserves of $95.67 million, or nearly $14 million. WazirX asserted that company had enough reserve money after publishing its poor report to cover users' requirements in unanticipated circumstances. Furthermore, the reserve-to-liability ratio of the cryptocurrency exchange is higher than 1:1. By reserves, WazirX is now India's biggest cryptocurrency exchange. WazirX previously pledged to divulge its proof of reserves. According to the report, the government's actions on crypto, taxes, and CBDC caused the trade volume to decline 76%, from $43 billion in November 2021 to $10 billion in 2022. crypto exchange DCX released its Proof of Reserves report in December 2017 with a total holding of $143.99 million. Shib, Matic, and Doge were also among the top 5 holdings, according to the report. Therefore, it suggests that Indian consumers favor these tokens the most. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.